Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Home with Kelly P. In today's video I am going to be sharing with you a quick front porch refresh for spring. It was a beautiful weekend here, which is very unusual for us at this time of year. Normally it can still be quite cold and we can have snow. So everybody was out and about in the neighborhood and I thought, oh, I'll give my front porch a quick cleanup. My little helper Gus had to come out and make sure the house was protected. And all I'm going to do, I'm not going to be able to do very much because we could still get quite cold weather and the garden centers are not open here. But I did manage to find this hanging plant and yeah, I'm just going to get cleaning it up and adding a few little spring touches to the front porch. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Not only are the garden centers not open, but we are actually back in a lockdown again. So I just DIY'd this wreath that I already had in my house. I had the base and I had the flowers already, so I added them to the wreath and I actually love the way it turned out. It was kind of my color scheme that I was going for with the greens and the yellows and the white. And I'm just going to continue now cleaning up the patio furniture, and then I'll be adding in some pillows and some little accessories. The little plant stand that I'm going to be adding here to put my lantern in is a recent find before we went into lockdown, and I love it. It's actually perfect for these IKEA lanterns and it gives them some height. So if we ever get the stores open again, I think I might have to go back and purchase a few more because they were not expensive at all. And as I watch this video back, I'm chuckling because I'm actually in sandals. in April, and that never happens. So that just shows you how warm it actually was here. So after everything was pretty well finished, I remembered this rug that I had bought last fall from Amazon. So I ran in and got it to bring it back out again. And I really like the way it kind of anchors a space. I do wish it was bigger, but I'm just going with it for now. And now here's a look at the finished porch, and I am loving the colors this year, the yellows and the creams and the greens. That really screams spring to me. And everything is mobile, so if we get another cold snap, I can bring everything inside so nothing gets ruined. This is one of my favorite times of year. I just get itching to get into my garden and start planting all the flowers, but we still have a good month and a bit before we're able to do that with the weather here. So this is really an anomaly, and it was so fun to be able to get out and start the process. But I'd love to know in the comments below, have you started your spring decorating outside? Are you able to plant flowers? If you are, I'm very, very jealous. But let me know in the comments below, what's the weather like where you are? So this patio set, the chairs and the table, are actually from Costco a number of years ago. The rug was from Amazon, and the cushions are from a local store near me, and the blanket was from HomeSense a couple of years ago. The lanterns are from IKEA, and I use them in quite a bit of my decorating in the house. So thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today, and I really hope that you enjoyed seeing how I'm starting to decorate my porch for spring and summer. And I hope that if you did enjoy it, you'll think about subscribing and giving it a big thumbs up and sharing it with the family and friends. That really, really helps my channel out, and I so appreciate it. So until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I wish you a wonderful week. Bye.